Hello, and welcome to Why You Should Create a Comics, Manga, or Anime Club. My name is John Shableski. I'm your host on behalf of Library Pass and Comics Plus. Harnessing the power of a manga, anime, or graphic novel or comics club is something pretty challenging. When you decide that you're going to get into this space of creating a club for any one of these categories, be prepared. There's a lot of energy behind these folks, and it also does amazing things for driving circulation within your library. The clubs create a whole new set of opportunities. You get advisory groups out of this. You get kids who are creatives. They design games, they design costumes, they create their own comics, they create zines. It's really fascinating to watch how much resonates from each one of these clubs as you get further into exploration of the opportunities. With Anime Club, there are some certain things that you need to be aware of. Make sure that you have taken a look at your library's policy on showing films. Getting rights to show any animation, it's usually fairly simple. Go to the publisher's website or the animation company's website, and they normally have downloadable forms. One of the things to be aware of is if you charge for if you charge a fee for showing anything, that makes things a little bit trickier. But if you're doing it for free, then there's a lot of great benefit there for you. Cosplay is just a natural part of this, whether they are coming in to play games or watch movies or talk about books. The kids like to dress up, like is an understatement. They love to dress up as their favorite characters from any one of these programs. When it comes to gaming, sometimes it's really hard to tell where the origins of a game begins, whether it was originally part of an animation series or it came from a book. But gaming, in the case of like Pokemon, is a global phenomenon that's almost beyond comprehension. There are so many elaborate parts of these games and the calculations that are involved with each of the cards. It's really fascinating to watch and get involved with. When you do decide to put together a gaming organization, make sure that you talk with the kids who are involved, because it gives you an opportunity to add books, animation, all other kinds of elements that are part of this experience. And those go into your collection, which becomes even more powerful. So where do you start? Well, talk to your students when they come in. Canvass them to find out the subject areas or the major points of interest that they have in any one of these areas. Make sure you utilize social media to the max, and also put your advisory committee to work. Have them get involved in getting the word out and utilize things like the social campaign or social calendars that the school produces every day. And of course, we've got a ton of resources for you at librarypass.com, whether you're looking for tutorials, webinars. We also host links for all kinds of resources and lists as well. If you don't see something you need, make sure that you reach out to us via email, and we will get back to you with the support you're looking for. On behalf of Library Pass and Comics Plus, my name is John Shableski. Thank you for joining us today.